Hi friends, once again welcome to Kavita Food and Fitness. Today we came to the cattle and we will take the milk from here, and with that milk we will prepare some delicious foods like rasgullas and rabris and all the cheese products. Let us see. We'll go to the kitchen and cook for the next session. Friends, now we came from the cattle and bring the milk. This is the milk, the fresh milk, whole milk. We bought it from the cattle directly to the kitchen. Now we will prepare rasgullas with this milk. First we will break the milk into the cheese. Now we on the flame, we turn the gas on. Now the milk is going to boil. See, now the milk boiled. You have to keep it southing, otherwise the cream will come out and you cannot make it to cheese. So that you have to move your like this the milk when milk is boiling. This is the lemon juice and water boiling ratio 1 is to 2. We will add this inside the hot milk to break the milk into cheese. You have to add little by little, and you have to stir it, and you have to increase the flame. If desired, you can add little more of lemon juice. Better you have to add little by little. Don't pour at a time all the lemon juice to the milk. See, the now milk is turned to the cheese. Milk broke. This is the scene of breaking. You can easily see. Watch how the milk becoming to the cheese after adding the lemon juice into the hot milk. You have to cook it. Then only all the cheese and water became separated from each other. You have to boil the cheese. When it will look bluish in color, that time only you have to separate the water and cheese by a cloth available for making the cheese. See, all the cheese coming outside of the water by the boiling the milk. See, this is looking little bit of bluish in color, yellow and green mix color. You have to boil it till all the cheese and water separated from each other. One thing you have to remember, when you are going to prepare rasgulla on your home by turning the milk into cheese, you have to remember one thing: bring the milk from the directly from the cattle. Don't bring the milk from the market, packet milk and other. You cannot make the rasgullas. For making beautiful rasgullas, you need to collect the milk direct from the cattle. See, the cheese became solid now by the boiling of water and cheese. Now we will remove the cheese from here. Look at this. This is, look here. This is the cloth available at the market for separating the cheese from the milk. You have to use this cloth only. Then only you can make the rasgulla. Look, beautiful cheese coming out. Now you will separate the cheese. You have to wash the cheese by cold water. It will become cold, and one thing, it will leave that sour taste. It will go out because by adding the lemon juice we made this cheese. By washing this cheese, the taste will neutralize. Otherwise, it will taste sour taste. To remove that sour taste, we have to wash the cheese after breaking milk into the cheese. After washing the cheese, you have to keep like this. You have to hang this cloth. Then all the water will come out. Then after full dried cheese, you will make the rasgullas. The cheese, we hanged it and all the water drained. Now it's became dried. Look at the cheese. Every water drop of water drained from the cheese and it became solid. With this cheese, we can make rasgulla, nice rasgullas. For this, we have to knead it and make the balls and pour it inside the sugar syrup. So first we will prepare the sugar syrup, then in between the time we will knead this cheese and make little bit balls. How we will make the sugar syrup for this rasgullas? Sugar syrup, first we need sugar, and this ratio is in 2 cup of sugar we need 8 cup of water inside this. Like that we will make the sugar syrup. So that we will add here 1 and 2 cup of sugar. Inside this we will add 10 cup of water. 1, 2, 3, 4. After it became boiled, caramelized, then we will add more water to this. This is the process to make rasgulla. First you have to knead the cheese. For making rasgulla, you no need to add anything else to the cheese. It is the pure cheese separated from the milk. We broke the milk over here. We bought the milk from the cattle and made cheese over here, and that cheese we are kneading over here, and this is the real original cheese. Nothing we mixed it with it. This is only cheese, and with the only cheese we will make the rasgullas. 5-10 minutes of kneading the cheese. Now it's become sticky. Now you can make small balls with this according to your desired size. You can make it small, you can make it large. Now it's ready to make balls and go inside the sugar syrup. You have to roll it and make size rolls without any cracking. You have to make the balls. After finishing the balls, you have to take deep inside the sugar syrup. That is the process for making rasgullas. It's easy. See, the sugar syrup is ready, and we roll the cheese into balls. Now we'll put one ball inside the sugar syrup. Now we dipped all rolls inside the syrup. The flame is high. This is boiling. After few minutes it will become nice, delicious, sweet, good looking rasgullas. See, the syrup is boiling and swimming all the rasgullas inside. It's looking this season is looking good. It's a beautiful feeling while you are making your own rasgulla. The size is increasing time by time. Whenever the syrup is boiling, the rasgulla size is increasing. See, rasgulla boiling inside the sugar syrup and it's increasing its size. You don't no need to stir it, otherwise rasgulla will break. You have to wait and watch while your rasgullas soak, absorb all the syrups inside it. Then it will become more delicious, more smooth. You can squeeze it and you can have it. We turned off the flame. Now we prepared, finished the rasgulla. It's looking nice. It's became bigger in size. Now we have to cool it down, then only you can have it. I took 2 rasgullas and its flavor nice, delicious, nice smell, it's good taste. I will taste one. Nice. must. You do it and have it. Bye bye. See you next time on another session of cooking on Kavita Food and Fitness. Thank you for watching YouTube.